Hi everyone. In this tutorial, we will talk about the lead and lag clause, how we can use those comments and what the difference between each. So lead is the access the data from the subsequent row, while the lag it's access the data from the previous rows. We will see from our example what the difference between those commands. Let me see here. We have a table. Let's use this one. Okay, I'm going to say select everything from soccer team. Okay, I'm going not taking all the columns, player number, to make it simple for you guys. So I have those two columns. I'm going first to use the lead, and we'll show you guys how the lead is used. So first is asking about the expression. It's contained three different parts: expression, offset, and default. Expression, it's the column that you want to use it. So I will choose the player name. Offset, it's how many rows we'll see next. Is mean like when or from what row you want to start your data to see the lead. If you say the three, okay, you will start from Ralph. If you say, okay, five, you will start to see data from Ali, and so and goes down, to the rest. The default, it's those five or the left four here rows, you will see them at the end, but what the value you want to put instead. I mean here in the lead column. So you want to put 0, 1, it depends. So I will say here, player name, the offset is I want to start with Ali 5, and the default, I want to see like, zero records, value, sorry. So you have to say over, because you have to use order by, otherwise you will get an error. So order by the player name as lead. So this is my uh, data here, player name. Well, because I ordered my data, the sequence it's changed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is left, and I start right now with number 6 with Larry. So this is the Larry right here, and it's keep going until the last one, Terrell. And the 5 that I left here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, they are coming as a zero value as I specified here. If I said, okay, make it 1, so I will go to see 1, all right? But this is the lead. The lead is what the data that you want to see next. And let me give you the leg. Oh, okay. Here, it is same thing, but it's where you're going to see the data from the previous row. Uh, let's do the same example. Name here, excuse me, the offset, how many rows I will see beyond. Like it will start with the rows that that it will put like in it. Here you will see the fives here. You will see them here, and then you will start to see the rows beyond five, and here you will say like one. The last five, one, two, three, four, five, those the one that will turn into one, and my column here will start with first five columns one, and then we'll start with Ali and goes forward. All right. The first one it takes the lead it takes the first columns, first five, and the leg it takes the last five columns. Here, I'll say over. Oh, I want something else. Over. Order by player name as like. All right, now, see guys, here I will see one, two, three, four, five. It start with five or zero. If you leave it empty, it will be null value. I meant with the off like the default value. So if you say like zero, will be zero. So the last five it will be zeros, and then I will start my first record right here. So with Ali and move forward. So this is the lead and the leg. The lead is like access the data from the subsequence rows, and the leg it's access the data from the previous rows. I hope you guys understand what's the difference between those commands. See you for next videos. Thank you for watching.